Okay, let's start by checking our Laravel project. Okay, so first we have the Laravel uh, project. Okay, so the name of our project is Laravel. So this is the one that is active right now. So let's move to the let's check for the environment or the .env. So it is set to MySQL, and we are using the database messages. Okay, so after checking the env, let's check the app, and let's see our controller. For our controller, we have only here controller.php, so we don't have controller created yet. So this is the default of PHP, and let's go to the uh, database. So I click database. Then inside database, let's see our migration directory. Inside our migration directory, we have here, we added a file migration with the name of uh, comments. Okay, so this is the comments. Okay, so we added two fields, which is name and comment. Okay, we add names and comment. So this is the table that we are going to use on our lesson. Okay, so our lesson is uh, model. Okay, our lesson is model. So the third component of a MVC architecture. Okay, model component stores data and its related logic. Okay, it represents data and it's being transferred between controller components or any related business logic. So for example, a controller object will retrieve the customer info from the database. It will manipulate the data and send back to the database, or it do render the same data. Now, Laravel has what we call this model, and it is called Eloquent. Okay, Eloquent. So Eloquent is a simple active record implementation for working with your database here in Laravel. Each database table has a corresponding model. So every table that we created in Laravel, of course, there is a corresponding model. So every table we will create an Eloquent for that table, okay, which is used to interact with tables. Model allow you to query for data in your tables as well as insert new records into the table. Okay. For us to start with our model, okay, we're going to use the command php artisan make model, and we're going to name our model as comment. Okay, so I'm going to type here in our terminal the command that we're going to use: php artisan make, okay, model, then the name of our model, okay, which is comment. So I'm going to press enter. So when we issue this command, a model is created. Okay, we will see here comment. Okay, comment.php. Okay, so I'm going to delete this first for you to see the how the comment.php appeared. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you that the comment that I created appeared here under the model uh, folder. Okay, so I'm going to um, erase this one. So delete, then move to recycle bin. So I'm going to issue again the command, and I'm going to open this directory, which is models. So I'm going to trigger again this command, which is php artisan make model comment. And look what will happen. So when I trigger the enter, okay, look. So another file is created. So this is our model. Okay, our model name is comment. Okay, that will represent the comment table, which is this table that we have here, which is comments, the migration file that we created named comments. So this will be the one that will represent this table, this one that we created, which is comment.php. Okay, now we're going to open the comment.php. Okay, we're going to open this one. Okay, as you can see, when we open our comment, okay, we will see the namespace. Okay, it has factory. Okay, it has factory. Before we push further to the eloquent or the modal lesson, okay, I'm going to introduce first this Laravel's artisan tinker. Okay, so tinker is a interactive language shell. Okay, in Laravel that it takes a single user input, evaluates it, and return the result to the user. So here we could use this when creating or we're now that we are introduced with this eloquent and we are new with this eloquent, in order for us to understand it better or to understand it in a easiest way, we could use tinker, okay, to understand the concept of eloquent. Okay, so eloquent is as the same as the other commands. It is accessed through artisan. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to load tinker in this terminal. Okay, so the command is php, okay, artisan, php artisan. Then you just type tinker. Okay, so it's just a shell. Okay, if you're familiar with the DOS shell or this terminal or the MySQL terminal, so this is same with those examples. So here it can just evaluate a single command. Okay, like for example, echo in PHP. So you just type echo, and we know that echo prints or display whatever inside the double quote. Okay, Sam Espino. So enter. So it just returned Sam. So let's try having date. Then let's print the year. Okay, the year. So that's the year. Okay. So sample PHP command are tested in this Tinker terminal. Okay. We could uh, add a record here, okay, using the model that we created, okay, apps model, okay, we created here the using this terminal. So we're going to use this model. So to use this model, okay, the command would be you have to use a variable to be the one to handle the instance. Okay, so to create a PHP variable, of course, you're going to use a dollar sign. Then let's say, for example, the variable is X. Okay. Then let's create an instance. New apps. Then backslash. Then we have to specify the location, which is app. Then inside apps, we have model. We have model. So you just type models. Then specify, of course, the name of your model, which is comment. Okay, so you just type comment. Okay, that's it. So semicolon. Now that we have this new, we create an instance of comment, and it will be the X. Okay, and I'm going to press enter. Now you already created a model or the instance for the comment model. Okay, X is now your comment. Okay, so comment, okay, inside the comment. So as we go to the migration file, we have it there, name and comment. Okay, so we'll call those property. So to call those property, of course, we're going to type $x. Then $x is now an object, so pointing to the property, which is name. Okay, then equals to. So what is the name that we're going to give? Let's say, for example, Sam Spino for our first record. Then semicolon. Then press enter. Okay, and let's put some value here. There's a comment in the comment. So $x. So sorry, $x. Then comment. Okay, comment is equals to, what will be the comment? So let's say Laravel is fun. I hope so. Then enter. Now that we have our value for our name and comment, so let's make this persistent. Okay, so I'm going to trigger the command save and press enter. Now it result as true, meaning to say that the file is saved. Okay. Now, if we want to look at the file that we created, okay, this would be the command. Okay, so you just type app, okay, slash models and slash comment. Okay, slash model slash comment, and we have to put this double colon. Okay, and we will just give the command all. Okay, and press enter. Now that we have, now you will see our first record, which is Sam Espino. Now, if we want to add another one, another record, okay, of course, we're just going to create again. Okay, so let's just type it. So $x. Okay, we could use again the $x for our handler to for the instance, the stores for the instance to be stored so in the variable. So you just type equals, then app, then the folders, which is model, and the file inside the file that we are going to use, or the table that we're going to use, which is again the model that we're going to use, comment. Okay, we forgot to use the command new and semicolon. Same procedure. Okay, so $x, then call the property name that is here, name, and equal sign. Let's say I'm going to use single quote, and I will type Daisy Santos. Okay, going to enter. Then another command, which is $X. Then name. What's next? Comment. Comment is equals to uh, single quote now. Mm, my comment is Laravel is fan. This is very easy. This is very easy. Then I'm going to save the file. X. Then type save. And there you have it. Okay, that's saved. Now let's display the out the outcome. Let's see if the record of Daisy is recorded. Okay. Now we have two records. Okay. Without even having an idea of SQL, here in Eloquent, you could add a record using those simple commands. Okay. And what else? Let's add another one. I'm going to use the arrow key for faster entry. Okay. So X ulit. Okay. Then this time, we're going to add names. And let's see, let's say Rika Longa. Okay. Another one. Comment. This is very easy. Let's say the comment is I can do this effortless. Okay, so I'm going to enter. Save the file. I'm just using the history that saved in the thinker. So true. So let's display. So the command is all and press enter. Now we have three records. Now, what if you want to delete? Okay, you want to delete a certain file. Okay, let's say for example, you want to delete record number one. Okay, record number one, Sam Espino. Okay, so to delete it, we'll use this one. We'll use another variable. Okay, let's say $X again. $X, $X, and equal sign without the new. Okay, $X, then the path, apps, models, then comment. Then you have to find, okay, which one of the record that you were going to delete. And based on the output, it is record number one with an ID of one. So you just type find one. Okay, find one. Then let's see. So it is now done. Okay, he located the file Sam Espino. Now that the file is now located, so you could delete it now. Okay, by typing $X. Okay, then delete, then open, close parenthesis, semicolon. Then just press the enter. True, and the record is now deleted. Now, for you to see whether the record is successfully deleted, you just use the command apps / model comments double colon all open close parenthesis. Okay, now you have two records. Okay, there are many commands that you could use for the manipulation of this uh, records. So the other commands are located at the PDF. You should try it for more flexibility, and you could think of a other way that you could use in your program, and it will add to your techniques. Okay, so I think that's it. So the activity will be posted on the LMS. So I think that's it for today, guys. So see you when I see you. Okay, bye, guys.